Milk is nutritious, but for individuals that experience symptoms like diarrhea, bloating, frequent flatulence, rashes, wheezing or breathing problems after drinking milk, are lactose intolerant, or may be allergic to cow's milk protein. It is recommended for these individuals to go for 100% lactose-free plant-based milk, free from allergens like soy, dairy, and gluten, and also free from artificial preservatives, colors, and flavors. But you should go for milks that are fortified with essential vitamins and minerals like calcium, vitamin D2, vitamin B12 that ensures growth and development, builds strong bones and teeth for the adults and children, and also boosts the whole family's immune system against infections and diseases. This is a guide to choosing the right milk for your family.